Hey guys, welcome to Make It Yourself Monday. I hope you guys have had a great Monday so far. This recipe is actually super easy, and I can't wait to show it to you because if you have your starter kit, you can do it. Most everyone has and loves peppermint, which is my main ingredient for today. Young Living peppermint. If you haven't joined us for Make It Yourself Monday, basically what I do is I just show you a quick DIY version of something you already have or just something to use your oils for to make. I decided to make this one today because I've had a lot of people ask me about it. It is very hot. I know for us it's just a really hot time of year, and everyone's going to be out probably on Wednesday watching fireworks and things, and you just need a quick way to cool off. So the only ingredients I'm using today is my peppermint, my Young Living peppermint, and the Thayer's alcohol-free witch hazel. And then I've just got an empty little spray bottle. This one's probably from Walmart, but you can get them on Amazon or wherever. So all you do, and if you don't have witch hazel, you can actually use a little bit of salt. So all you're going to do is take a little bit of witch hazel, put it in the bottom, then take your peppermint. Depends on how big the bottle. I'm going to use about 3 drops for this bottle. You could use like 3 to 5. I'm going to use this on the kids too, so it is safe for your kids. I actually made this for my daughter's soccer team last year, and they loved it. When it was really, really hot out, I just sprayed it on them. They loved it. So you just put a couple drops in the bottom, and if you have salt, just put salt in the bottom first, and then put your peppermint oil. Basically, the purpose of either the witch hazel or the salt is to help disperse the essential oil a little bit better. So then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my, I don't know if you can see it from here, but filtered water here, and then just fill it up, and then put the lid on, and super easy. So all you're gonna do to use this is just spray on yourself. I like to spray like on the back of your neck, just around your shoulders, and it's just so cooling and refreshing if you're just having a hot flash or you're just really hot out. It's just really great for cooling. You could even, if you close your eyes, you could even spray it down your face, and you can do as much or as little peppermint as you want, and the peppermint will just leave you with that cooling feeling. I actually have some really good info I will post in the comments about peppermint and why this works so well for cooling. So if you enjoyed this video, share it, please comment. Someone's not happy outside. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you can cool off this week. Bye.